You probably tried this before. You memorize formulas, you memorize steps, you memorize examples, and then the test comes and everything falls apart. You're not failing because you forgot. You're failing because physics cannot be memorized. I'm the physics sensei, PhD in physics, black belt in karate, and 30 years teaching college students just like you. My job is simple to train you the right way. So physics becomes something you can do, not something you fear. So in this video, I'll show you why memorizing never works in physics and how to fix that in 3 simple steps. So here's the truth. When you memorize, you are trying to copy the surface of physics instead of learning the skill underneath. Physics is not a list of facts, it's a set of moves, and memorizing moves never makes you good at them. Think about this. If you memorize 5 example problems and the test gives you something that looks different, your memory can help you. Your skill is what carries you. And right now, your skill is not being trained. Your memory is. Memorizing creates a dangerous illusion. You feel productive, but you're not learning how to think in physics. You're not learning how to recognize the situation, select the right idea, and build the solution. That's why you freeze when the problem changes, even just a little bit. Memorizing is fast, but it collapses the moment the problem shifts. Real physics skill is slow at first, but it becomes automatic, reliable, and strong. In the dojo, you cannot memorize a kata. You train the moves, you feel the moves, you understand why each part is there. If you only memorize the shape, your kata falls apart under pressure. In physics, it's the same. Skill beats memory every time. Remember, every black belt was once a white belt, and every master started as a beginner. Repetition made them strong, not talent. And the same is true in physics, and the same could be true for you. So let me show you how to train skill instead of memory. First, do something easy. Take one formula you always forget. Instead of memorizing it, write down what it means and when you should use it. Just one sentence. This builds understanding. Next, add a little challenge. Pick 3 problems that use that formula and do only the identification step. Where does the formula apply? Why does this formula apply? And stop there. Not solving yet. This trains recognition. Last, give yourself a small push. Choose one new problem and ask yourself, which idea fits this situation? Don't look at your notes, don't memorize, just reason it out. That's the muscle you've been missing. This might look simple and easy, and that's exactly why it works. Skill grows by repeating simple steps, not by stuffing your brain with formulas you will forget under pressure. Train the basics, build your foundation, and let consistency become your advantage. If this gives you clarity today, then you already won. And if you need more help, the dojo is ready when you are. Your next rep is waiting inside the dojo. Try the free demo and keep training. I'll see you inside.